Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche 986 Boxster here that I've removed the engine now to do the IMS bearing. Just want to go through this. Not sure who worked on the car before, but a lot of things I actually found on this car is pretty bad. Let's have a look here. This part here is just sitting there wide open. You're supposed to block this off. This one here, it's just sitting like that. Look at this one here. Someone repaired this. Try to repair this like that, and then left. It's already broken. See that? That's already broken. We're gonna get a new part of this. Someone put a rubber pipe on this part here for the actual oil dipstick, and it's already bent the oil dipstick in half. A lot of oil leaks from here. That's why it's leaking from there. All the oil is leaking down from the actual from here as well, from that part there. I'll show you what I mean. I think it's already that one there. That's leaking as well. So we've got to get a new one of those as well. This is only a quick rundown. To see a lot of oil leaks from underneath here as well, and the actual the engine mount for this car here, this is the engine mount. All right, one of the stud was missing. See this one here? That's the stud. That one was missing. Nothing there was missing already. So this motor looks like it's been taken out before to do some work on the car, but I don't even know what they've done to this motor. Actually, I don't want to know what they've done. All I want to do is fix it properly so the customer can drive it properly. Look at that, oil leaks everywhere. So we're going to replace the oil separator as well. We're going to take the intake manifold off and clean it. We're not going to rush it to get the car out like that. We're going to pretty much check everything here before we actually do anything. So once I remove intake manifold, we can actually look at the actual all the plastic inside here to get it replaced, gaskets, you name it. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.